everybody, welcome to In Stitches with Mary. It is March. Congratulations, you've made it. We have gotten through January and February and we are looking at warmer days ahead. With that in mind, you know what comes up next? Easter, and I am ready. We have got some fun projects here to show you and I am super excited about these. I've got some little felt Easter eggs that are so simple to put together. You're going to be making dozens of them. I've got a really cute little Easter basket that's with woven strips of fabric, and look at these adorable Easter carrots. A good friend of mine sent this pattern in to me. So I'm ready to share these and I'm looking forward to you joining me. I wanted to show you how to make these adorable little felt Easter eggs. They are so quick and easy to put together. You'll be making several of these at once. I know you will. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to put these together. To make the felt Easter eggs, the supplies you're going to need are some felt. Now a 9x12 sheet will give you 4 Easter eggs. I'm going to just show you here with a half a sheet of a 9x12. So you're going to need a variety of trims and ribbons if you'd like, some decorative threads, and this is that opportunity you have to experiment with some of those decorative stitches you have on your sewing machine. I've had a lot of fun with that. To start with, what you're going to do is to take that half a sheet of felt and we're going to fold it in half, and you're going to need, on my directions, you're going to need the template for the Easter egg right here. Now, since if you're going to be doing quite a few of those, what you're going to want to do is maybe make a I use some template plastic here, and you're going to be drawing around those. I choose to use a disappearing ink, and we're going to trace around this twice, about a half an inch from each side, and then again a half an inch from each other. Okay, so you're going to do that twice. I'm just going to do that real quick here for you. You do want to do the disappearing ink, trust me. It will make your life easier in the long run. We get that done, you're going to unfold it, and then you're going to decide how you want to decorate this. So if you wanted to put some rickrack on here, you're just going to put that all the way across the felt. What is on this side is going to be the back side. This will be the back side, the front side over here. So you're going to have the same, if you look at this one, the same front and back. So that's what makes this so easy to do. So just stitch straight across. You can add some other ribbon in here if you'd like. Get some of your decorative threads and experiment with those stitches and see what you come up with. Every egg will look different. Here's one that I have completed. The next step, you can see my egg design is still there, is to fold it back in half, and we're going to go to the sewing machine. Here's where you can experiment. I first started doing with a little bit of a zigzag stitch going around, and then I realized just a straight stitch will work as well. So you can play with what you would like. Don't stitch all the way around. You're just going to leave the bottom open a little bit and stitch around the top. When you get that done, you can see here we've got some openings, and that's where you're going to add a little bit of stuffing. So we're going to just barely stuff this, just enough to give it a little bit of 3-dimension, and poke that in there. When you get both of them stuffed, all you need to do is to take it back over to the sewing machine and stitch the bottom of that egg shut. Once we have the opening stitch shut, all that's left to do is to cut our eggs out. I like to use my pinking shears and cut close to my first row of stitching there. You can certainly just cut it straight if you'd like. Let me show you some of the examples I have here. Here's one where I zigzag the edges and then just cut it out with a straight scissors if you don't have a pinking shears. Here's where it's zigzagged and pinked, and then of course I've got the pinking with just a straight stitch. So lots of ways that you can finish these and complete them for your Easter basket. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you would like the directions, they're fairly simple. they're right here at Neil's Vacuum and Sewing Center. Give us a call.